Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. Known for her long, gorgeous red hair, she was beloved for her deep love of roses, earning her the title Princess Rose. Each evening, Princess Rose would look out from her balcony and clap her hands, and a golden bird would fly to her shoulder, turning her hair into a stunning golden hue. When the golden bird perched on her shoulder, Princess Rose would sing her melodious songs, which enchanted the entire kingdom. The people would listen to her songs, fall asleep peacefully, and dream sweet dreams. 4 years, Princess Rose sang night after night, and the kingdom thrived in tranquility and joy thanks to her songs. But one day, a terrible thing happened. An evil sorceress from a neighboring town learned of Princess Rose and her golden bird and decided to cast a spell to strip away her beautiful red hair, turning it into a dark, lifeless black. The next morning, as Princess Rose went to her balcony and clapped her hands, the golden bird flew to her shoulder. But this time, her hair turned black instead of its usual golden color. When she sang, the people of the kingdom were plagued by frightening nightmares. Heartbroken by the loss of her red hair and the troubling dreams affecting her people, Princess Rose called upon the golden bird and asked for a way to restore her beautiful red hair. The golden bird told her she needed to gather a number of red roses, remove their petals, and place them in a water-filled box. She should then dip her hair into the box to restore its red color. Princess Rose followed the bird's advice, and her hair regained its vibrant red hue. Overjoyed, Princess Rose resumed singing with her golden bird, and the kingdom once again enjoyed peaceful, happy dreams. However, the evil sorceress discovered that her spell had been broken and decided to gather all the red roses from the surrounding area to prevent Princess Rose from breaking the spell again. The sorceress recast the spell on Princess Rose, turning her hair back to black. Desperate and unable to find any red roses to break the spell, Princess Rose wept. As she stood on her balcony, tears streaming down her face, she noticed a handsome prince gazing up at her. The prince held a box containing a single red hair. He placed the hair where Princess Rose had been crying, and it magically transformed into a red rose. Princess Rose took the rose, removed its petals, and placed them in a water-filled box. She dipped her hair into the box, and it returned to its lovely red color. The handsome prince approached Princess Rose's father to ask for her hand in marriage, and the king consented. The prince and princess married and lived in happiness, enjoying their love and the magical music that brought joy and contentment back to the kingdom. Princess Rose continued to sing every evening with her golden bird, ensuring that the kingdom's dreams remained sweet and that everyone lived in peace and happiness, thanks to the power of love and music.